Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by validating prerequisites and starting the VM creation flow. First, check CPU, RAM, and disk. Insufficient resources cause slow boots. Next, pick a hypervisor that matches your host and goals. VirtualBox is simple, Hyper-V integrates with Windows. Once chosen, download the guest ISO and any license or cloud init metadata you need. This avoids pausing mid-setup. Make sure virtualization is enabled in firmware. Then open the hypervisor and click Create New to define CPU and memory. Now you configure the machine for reliable operation and networking. Allocate CPU cores and RAM with headroom. Avoid overcommitting if the host needs resources. Create a virtual disk with the right format and size. Choose dynamically allocated for space efficiency or fixed for performance. Next, set up networking based on access requirements. NAT isolates, bridged connects to your LAN. Attach the ISO to the virtual CD drive. Set UEFI or legacy BIOS as needed, and confirm the boot order so the installer runs first. You proceed to install the guest OS and finalize integration. Start the VM, follow the OS installer prompts, partition sensibly, and install. After the base system is up, install guest editions or VMware tools to get drivers, clipboard sharing, and better video. Once stable, create a snapshot or checkpoint and configure backups so you can revert if needed. If something goes wrong, check hypervisor logs, increase RAM or CPU, and toggle network mode. One targeted change usually resolves boot, performance, or connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.